Hello children, good morning. I hope you all are very good, right? So I welcome you all in your science class. So yesterday we have revised all the textbook exercises, okay? Now today we have to revise all notebook exercises, right? But before starting that, I would like to tell you about examination, okay? So have you got new date sheet and syllabus? Yes, you all have got the revised date sheet and syllabus. Yes, there is little bit changes in it, and the changes are of timings only. Okay, so try to understand that why we did this changes. Yes, see, so we have given you two timings. Yes, first timing is for paper 1, that is 7:30 am to 9 am, and second timing is from 10 to 11:30 am. Okay, that is for paper 2. Okay, so here paper 1 and paper 2 doesn't mean that you have to attend both the papers. You have to do any one paper. Okay, you have to do either paper 1 और पेपर 2. या तो आपको पेपर 1 करना है या फिर आपको पेपर 2 करना है. ओके, इन केस यू हैव अटेम्प्टेड पेपर 1, अगर आपने पेपर 1 अटेम्प्ट कर लिया है, ओके, एंड you thought that your paper was not so good, so you want to give it again, है ना, और आप उसको दोबारा देना चाहते हो और आपने पेपर 2 भी दे दिया. You have also given paper 2. Yes, then what happened? I will not consider your paper 2. I will see only your paper 1 and give your marks according to this first exam. Okay, got it children? So please be very careful while doing your paper, right? And you know the whole process now, how you have to do the paper. Yes, first of all you have to go to, so first of all you will open a school app and then you have to go to more options, then online test. After that a test will be displayed on your screen. Yes, on that date is also written and the subject is also written, and after that an icon of a start is made. Yes, so you have to click on that start icon. Okay, after that what happened, on a screen these things will be visible to you: submit, view and submission. Yes, here a PDF is being displayed and you have to click on view, and then you are able to see that PDF. Okay, and from that PDF you have to solve all the question and answer. Okay, after solving all the question answers you have to click on this submission button. Okay, when you will click on submission button, जैसे ही आप submission click करते हो बटन पे, your mobile back camera will start taking pictures. Yes, it is open. So when your mobile's back camera start, you have to take the pictures of all the work that you have done, either on 6 pages, either on 4 pages, 5 pages, whatever pages are there, you have to take pictures of all those. Okay, after that an attachment icon will come here, an attachment icon will come and it is your answer sheets. Yes, and you have to then click on this submit button to submit those attachments. Yes, वो जो पिक्चर्स आपने पिक्चर्स की आपकी फ़ाइल बन जाएगी एक अटैचमेंट के नाम से यहाँ पर, और उस अटैचमेंट फ़ाइल को आप क्या करोगे, फिर आप सबमिट पे क्लिक कर दोगे तो आपकी वो फाइल सबमिट हो जाएगी. ओके, सो दिस इज़ द प्रोसीजर ऑफ डूइंग द एग्ज़ाम. ओके, नाउ आई वाज डिस्कसिंग दैट you have to do only one paper, either paper 1 or either paper 2. Okay, so now the question will arise in your mind that ma'am, if we have to do only one question paper, then why there are two papers? So beta, two papers are given and two papers are for your convenience. The parents, those are having, more than one children studying in our school. Yes, more than one children studying in different classes in our school only, they have to do work according to the suitability of them. Yes, like if गौरी गुप्ता एंड स्वास्तिक गुप्ता, दे बोथ आर सिबलिंग्स. ओके, ये दोनों बहन भाई हैं. दे बोथ आर सिबलिंग्स. सो गौरी गुप्ता इज स्टडिंग इन 6th standard. ओके, स्वास्तिक इज स्टडिंग इन 3rd standard. सो स्वास्तिक इज स्टडिंग इन 3rd, तो एंड गौरी इज स्टडिंग इन 6th, and they both have only one phone at home. Okay, so what they can do, that Gauri can give her exam from 7:30 to 9 a.m. and Swastik can give his exam from 10 to 11:30. Okay, so children, I hope that you have understood that why we have segregated timings and why we have kept two papers together, yes, in different timings. Okay, so children, don't do careless mistake while doing your paper, like you just click on submit button after clicking one picture. Okay, mostly प्रॉब्लम क्या होती है, बच्चे एक्साइटमेंट में एक पिक्चर की फ़ोटो क्लिक की और सबमिट पे क्लिक कर दिया. अब जब सबमिट पे क्लिक कर दिया, व्हेन दे हैव क्लिक्ड ऑन सबमिट बटन, द होल पेपर इज सबमिटेड, एंड व्हेन दे ट्राई टू open it again, it will not open. So kindly make sure that first you click all the pictures of all the pages very clearly, and after that attach that file and then click on submit button. Okay children, so all the best for your exams. Now let's continue our today's science class. Let's recapitulate the exercises from notebook. Okay, so children, let's revise. The first question, give any two examples of each of the following. So I have framed the mixed exercise. Okay, so the questions are present in it from all the chapters of your course. Okay, now let's start. Materials used to make cloth. So cloth बनाने के लिए किसका यूज़ होता है? कॉटन. And we use wool. Yes, we can use jute also. Yes, because few cloths are made from jute also, right? And many other things also. Yes, metals used to make ज्वेलरी. ज्वेलरी बनाने के लिए क्या यूज़ होता है? गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर. These two things are really very famous for making jewelry. Yes, now next question is fruits that has many seeds. ऐसे कौन से fruits हैं जिनके बहुत सारे seeds हैं? तो you know that papaya is the fruit. Yes, then watermelon is the fruit that have many seeds, right? And what else? Flowers that we eat. So first of all, cauliflower, right? And after that, broccoli, BROCCOLI. Now next question is, name any two fruits that has only one seed. So it can be plum, yes, and peach. Yes, so these are two fruits that are having only one seed. In fact, there are many more like lychee, है ना? Yes, so these are the fruits that has only one seeds, right? And name the fruits that has few seeds. So for few seeds, yes, few seeds, which fruit is having few seeds? Like apple, etc., right? Now opaque objects, name any two opaque objects. So opaque objects can be book, yes, or pen or anything, right? Now sounds that we hear. So which sound we can hear? Yes, tell me fast children. कौन सा साउंड हम सुन सकते हैं? Chirping of birds, yes, And yes, tell me. And what? Soft music. Right? Now, fruits with very few seeds, थोड़े से जिसमें सीड्स होते हैं, तो वो क्या है? एप्पल, राइट? एंड yes, tell me, think about it. Apple and yes, think. There are many fruits that are having few seeds. Like apple में अगर आपने देखा हो तो उसमें थोड़े से ही बीज होते हैं, देखिए ना, थोड़े से बीज निकलते हैं, सिर्फ वन बीज नहीं होता, वन सीड नहीं होता, इट इज़ हैविंग वेरी फ्यू सीड्स. टेल मी. yes, it is orange. yes. Now name any two transparent objects. तो transparent objects कौन से होते हैं? clear glass and clear plastic, right? Okay. Now luminous objects. Name two luminous objects. Sun and bulb, right? So students, this was our question number 1 of notebook. Now let's revise true false. So children, our next exercise is state true or false. Okay. Now animals make their own food. Animals अपना खाना खुद बनाते हैं? No, this statement is false. FALSE. Yes, false. Now a table grow and changes shape. What? Table बड़ी होती है. Have you seen any table growing and change its shape? अगर उसका rectangle shape होता है तो उसका circle shape हो जाता है? No, the table remains the same. Yes, so this statement is false. Why? Because table is a non-living thing, right? Non-living things can move from one place to another. Yes. Is it true? Like this pen. This pen is a non-living thing. Does it move on its own? No. So this statement is also false, right? Now living things need food to grow and gets energy. Yes, living things को खाने की ज़रूरत होती है बढ़ने के लिए, to grow and to get energy. Yes, so this statement is true, right? Now crocodiles and fishes you know ना, reproduce by laying eggs. crocodiles और fish जो होते हैं वो reproduce कैसे करते हैं? By laying eggs. Yes, this statement is true, right? Now plants can make their food in the absence of water. Without water plants can make food? No, this statement is false, because plants need air, water and sunlight to make their food. Yes, so I hope you have revised both the exercises properly. And children, I have given you these questions in the form of PDF, and we'll meet on Monday, and I will tell you that how you have to attempt your whole exam of science. Okay, till then, stay safe, stay home. God bless you all. Have a wonderful day ahead.